we gon' do this my way. Up running around like you forget who I am. But I made you, don't you forget that. Starting on your friends like you ain't hop on my wave. I helped you style, I helped you grind. And you know for damn sure I'll always ride. Your mama always call me and that's alright. Cause she know I'm the only one who stood by your side.
Hi guys, and today I'll be making a crochet wig from this expression hair. First I'll go ahead and cut the hair in 3. Then I'll unravel the ends of the hair. This is the finished look. I'll sew the lace to the wig cap, and this is to make my closure.
Before this turns out ugly. I ain't got time, I ain't got patience, but you gon' stop spreading those false news. Tell your little girl to calm down too, cause I want you, I want you. X for a reason, so last season you can have my seconds for thing. Don't know what you got yourself into. Let's keep this real, never gonna find someone this real. So stay in check, I got a big ego, such a huge ego. I love my big ego, and I can match your pettiness too. You build a bed.
Now we're on to removing the cap under the lace, and you want to make sure you take your time while doing this because you don't want to mess this process up. I'll begin crochet from the nape, and I am doing the regular crochet method. As you can see here, I'm not using a lot of hair. It all depends on your preference, guys.
Come and go, and plus anyway, I'm used to being solo, but it was good when you came to me. You were the one to make me believe that life could be better, that we could get by together. Come sit down, let's celebrate this love we found, cause we know this is real. I'm about to let you know, I gotta let you know that you can relate to what I've been through, so baby I'm glad I found you. You make me smile, you like good food, you're from that place, you're from my place. Can relate to where I'm going, but I can take it anywhere, you know it. Oh, you make me laugh, you like good food, you're from that place, you're from my place. Get your clothes and let's take a drive. True love's coming back in style. We'll be riding to my song, pretty pretty. There ain't nothing going wrong, really really. So good when you came my way. You came and laughing almost.
The closer I get to the closure is the lesser hair I'm using, and I also change the latch hook.
Celebrate this love, baby, what we found. We know this is real.
I am using this pencil to mark the center of the lace, and this will be my closure. You can use any type of pencil you want to use, guys. When you're finished, you can use a cotton swab and remove the line.
Anywhere you wanna go, you make me laugh. You like good food, you're from that place, you're from my place. We be eating hamburgers and fries. We be up watching movies all night.
I'm on to a smaller latch hook, and I am using 2 to 6 strands of hair. You want to make sure you take your time while doing this process. It may seem like it takes a lot of patience, but guys, you don't have to do this one day or half a day. You do it when you have the time.
From my place, can relate to where I'm going. I can take it anywhere, I can take it anywhere. So call me back. They know you and me, not
This is how my closure is looking when I'm finished, guys. Yay! I'm finished. The next step is to add the hair to the hot water, guys.
There is a girl so lovely to me.
This is how the hair is looking after it is fully dried. Now I'm going to add some oil to the hair.
Take her heart with me.
I'll use my Revlon 3-in-1 brush to straighten the hair.
She gives us something I need to survive.
I am using the low setting on the brush.
Back for her love, I'd fight in 1,000 wars to collapse there in her arms. Pretty my baby, I can't stop calling her Daisy. She is my whole world, she is my heart forever, my girl in her eyes. Take me back to the moment she saved me.
This is how the hair is looking after I'm finished straightening the hair with the Revlon brush. Now I am going to cut the hair in a bob.
She is a temple meant to be worshipped, adored, adored. Makes me remember something I've seen deep in
I am going in with my flat iron. I think it's on 150 or 200, I'm not sure. You gotta make sure the iron is not too hot to burn the hair. Remember guys, it is synthetic hair.
I'd fight in a million wars.
Here you have the finished look, and guys, you can't tell me this is not a human hair bob wig. I told you guys, bougie and a budget for 2021. No need to break the bank, guys. It's only $2.99. If you like this video, go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up and comment, guys. Let me know what you think of this hair. If you haven't subscribed, guys, go ahead and subscribe. Until next time, bye.